Hey guys, welcome back to a video. Today I'm gonna be doing something, well, if y'all have ever been like into science and stuff and watched The King of Random, y'all should know Grant Thompson, the owner of the channel, passed away. So yeah, he was the dude who I watched to inspire me to build projects and stuff. There is a GoFundMe page for his wife and 3 kids. I can't figure out how to link it in the description, but there is. You can go find it. So, yeah, I just thought I would be revisiting an old project he had that kind of it's my first one I ever watched. So, yeah. So, this is going to be kind of a tutorial. I'm not going to show you because I've already done most of the stuff. I just thought I'd pop it on YouTube really fast. So, you know those little Cricut CO2 cartridges you can get from the store? I took one of those. Use a pipe cutter, cut it in half. It has to be exactly this long, so take it right above the daisy sign, like it's a thumb, a tiny bit above the daisy sign, and cut it. So then you got your rocket cartridge. But don't throw away this piece. You are going to need it. You're going to need this and some JB Weld. Okay, but first let me shut my blinds because this freaking sun is getting all the lighting in this video messed up. So, bleh. Okay. Well, so now that you got your CO2 cartridge, like this one that you cut it properly, and now you got this part, you're gonna need JB Weld for this. Well, I use this as the pre-ignition igniter. Just some cheap. I got this from the dollar store for like $1.50 for tax and everything. So I use that. You can make flares, just mix magnesium in that, you'll make a flare. Okay, now this is a cool part. If y'all want to read this, pause the video on it. So yeah. So basically what that is, it's potassium nitrate and some sugar. That's a dry mix. So you put that on the stove on low heat because it is a pyrotechnic mix. Once you mix sugar and potassium nitrate together, it's a pyrotechnics. So you don't want to put it on too high, but you slowly let the sugar melt and caramelize in there with the potassium nitrate once you mixed it, and then you pour it into your rocket container. No matter what that is, a rocket container. And then you put your fuse in there and you let it harden. Now this stuff will be very hard. So once you put it in there, what you need to do is you need to take this, slide it into your rocket. My rocket's not here right now. My grandpa has it. Well, actually it's his rocket, but it's the one I use to experiment. But so you take this. Once you put your rocket fuse in it, you run your fuse to the top of this. You take your JB Weld and you put it on here. So now you've made yourself a successful rocket engine. And this rocket engine will work for most things, like most small craft, like you'll be able to launch anything that's about less than a pound rocket with this. Because, see, with my experimentation, we tried just doing this and launching out the bottom like that, but even though the fuel is very flammable and has a lot of thrust, it doesn't have a little nozzle to be coming out, so it just went and fell back down. And right now, my grandpa is experimenting with this nozzle, see if it'll work, but I tried and it works, so rock on. If y'all want to see this one more time, I made this label myself, so that's pretty cool. Just pause it on any of this if you want to read it. And that's the video, guys. Peace out. And please tell me if this video inspires you to make it.